What's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of August 2023. Here to talk about Bitcoin because the crash has happened into the market in Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that from the chart perspective. I mean, all you have to do is simply look at the chart and it'll tell you that a crash is imminent for Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and talk about it because I didn't do a price prediction on my last video, which was produced on August the 13th. Here it is 5 days later. And now I think you guys get the gist as to what the market is really up to in Bitcoin. I mean, we already identified right here areas to which the buyers of the market in Bitcoin will have to come through and support price. And yesterday's trading day, we actually got the result that the buyers weren't there. They didn't show up to purchase Bitcoin at 28,650, and instead the sellers came through, bust through the floor, and actually fell down 7.17% in one day. So much so that even our weakness indicator was triggered on yesterday's trading. So we got in the direction now. And if anyone's trying to come through and tell you that Bitcoin is still a massive buy, they need to come and look at this chart first. Look at Bitcoin real quick on the 2-day chart. And you guys can see we got another indicator triggered on the 2-day time frame. The market here in Bitcoin is now weak. We need to look to the left of the chart to try to figure out, okay, cool. If the market wants to go down, they have to be buyers somewhere else, right? And instead of the buyers into the market in Bitcoin being here, they're not showing up there at 26,625, right? They're not there. Maybe they might be down here. Okay, so this will be our first area for us to look forward to Bitcoin coming to test the buyers, all right? And then the other area for Bitcoin would be to the highs of these daily price bars right around here somewhere. Okay, so we're going to identify these two areas as targets to which we think the market is headed. Okay, now let's look at Bitcoin real quick on the 3-day chart. Again, back to back, triple consecutive time frames that we're getting an indicator triggered into the market in Bitcoin. Here it is on the 5. We have 13 hours and 26 minutes left, and here it is again, another indicator of weakness. The market is telling us something and where the direction price is trying to go. It's trying to go down. And if we see on this 5-day price bar Bitcoin down here on the low in the next 13 hours and 26 minutes, then these first two targets that we're talking about right now may not even hold. And then we'll have to come back down to a lower level to identify where Bitcoin is really trying to go. And this would be my third target here. Okay, so I've already given you my 3 targets that I'm suspecting price in Bitcoin is headed. All right, so I'm finished. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart and then I'll let you all go. And then as always, I want to get your thoughts as to where you suspect the price in Bitcoin is going to go. And for us, we're going to look for the market in Bitcoin to continue to dip and go lower. First target, everyone, is right here, which is around 25,865. My second target is going to take us down here around 25,120. And then my final target, third target, it's around $24,000, which is a 9% move lower from where price currently resides. All right, so that's it. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to get more of an understanding as to what we're suspecting the price in cryptocurrencies are going to go, all without being confused. Let me go ahead and extend down this trend because we could see the market in Bitcoin come back up. But as long as it stays below this 28,450 or so, the market in Bitcoin is definitely still weaker. All right, so that's it. You're up. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.